Today, I'm going to do another product review. This is from MYTEE Products. They sent me a new 2-inch ratchet strap that I wanted to try out. The reason why is because 2-inch ratchet straps are all the same, right? Not this one. So as you can see, I am on the road. I do have a load. I'm heading to California. This is going to the desert to get blown up. These ratchet straps are different than your typical ratchet straps. I wanted to show you the load because I'm not somebody behind a desk, doing this. I'm actually out here in the field. So these ratchet straps they're gear driving reverse action ratchet straps, built for heavy duty cargo securing. This has a working load limit of 3,333 pounds and a braking strength of 10,000 pounds. It meets all safety standards. What makes these ratchet straps so good is on ratchets, you push up to tighten them. On these, you actually pull down. We're gonna test it out right now. I like the way these feel. You can see right here, they actually do work from pulling down. So let's give these bad boys a try. All right, so here we go. Go over this bar, pull down through. These ratchets feel nice and beefy. Seriously. Pull up. Now remember, these go down. First and foremost, these ratchets feel really, really good. Oh my God, you can feel the cranking strength on these. Look at this. Oh yeah. These are some heavy duty ratchets. 3,300 pounds, 10,000 pound braking strength. See how good they come off. Nice, easy. I like these. You can really see how good this ratchet is made. So these come with the black J hooks. They're powder coated to keep from rusting. They're just a good quality ratchet. They sent me these to try out and give my honest feedback. Only thing that I could say bad, I don't know. I don't know if I can. Maybe the size of this, but that's just me being picky. I was emailed about these. Hey, we have a new 2-inch ratchet strap we want you to give an honest review on. What I initially thought was, what else can you do with a 2-inch ratchet strap, right? Here's what they did with these. They added another gear between the handle and the mandrel. This gear right here. And it gives you, it's reverse action. This gives you double the crank down strength. And I noticed real quick the difference. I read the bullet points on their products that I get, and I try to see if it matches up with what they're saying. And so double the tension strength was noticeable right off the bat. These have a working load limit of 3,333 pounds and a braking strength of 10,000 pounds. I'm gonna have to say that I was very, very impressed. They have 2 different models. They have the flat hook. These are the ones I like to run. One of the first things that I noticed was the crank down strength. These right here are gonna make my job easier, gonna make my job better, more efficient. I'm gonna let the tool do the work instead of my back. I'm gonna have to say, man, there's not one thing I can say about these that are bad. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description. If you're interested, click the link. I'm just trying to bring you guys good products. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.